Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair the odometer of Mercedes G-Class using Minitools replacement gears. For this repair, you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the rear screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Remove the module with the temperature screen and the two larger bulbs from the top side of the cluster. Remove the board. Undo the screws to release the odometer gauge. With a small flathead screwdriver, loosen the screws to remove the plastic cover of the gears. Remove every gear and carefully clean the shafts as shown from any residue. Attention! Don't damage the brush bushing on the shaft. If the brush bushing gets damaged or broken, use the gear SEP-R77 instead of the SEP-R14. Put the SEP-R14 gear onto the shaft and fit it properly using the tool SEP-INS02. Clean and insert the other two shafts. Then insert, in this order, the other gears: SEP-R125, SEP-R126, SEP-R53 and SEP-R29. Fasten the plastic cover. Place the odometer gauge on the board and secure it, tightening the screws. Carefully insert the board into the front cover. Put back the module of the temperature display as it was originally. Tighten the screws. Fit and secure the two bulbs. Test the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Minitools.